So, one of the things that is common among you young MPs is that you're all Dianas, apart from Sanjana, whose father was an Up Sarpanch, but she doesn't come from a hardcore political family. You have the same issue in Bollywood also, where there's now a lot of resentment with this Nepo gang. And in politics also, there's this thing कि सारे Dianas privileged लोग ही आते हैं. So, why is that? Why do you think it's just very hard for someone from outside to come? As an insider, what are the things that make it very hard from someone from the outside to come in politics?
I think your background helps in the way that there is a certain trust that your background provides you कि ये उनके बेटे या उनके परिवार से हैं तो इनका वहाँ पर अच्छा नाम है. And I think in politics what's particular is कि even the people, like the constituents, for it's not just that you have to only penetrate the party hierarchy, you also have to make a base in the constituency. So people also I don't know why it is, but it is so. And even if you go around, you will, I think, notice it. If you tell them, like if I would go and tell them about my father, तो वो एक recognize करते हैं. There is a familiarity. They associate themselves, or their elders must have been with my elders. So that association, that familiarity is something that they get attracted to, I think. So I think locally also it operates like that. It's not just that the parties are trying to put this pattern in place. I think locally also it's very effective. And so that change locally, if we need to change something in the society, then that change needs to come from all of us. All of us are responsible for that. So क्योंकि लोगों को पसंद आता है कि उनको एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी रहती है कि जैसे इनके पिताजी करते थे वैसे ही ये करेंगे. सो लाइक आई एम ऑफन टोल्ड कि इस लहजे में बात करो, ऐसे तुम्हारे पापा डांट देते थे, धमका देते थे, तुम भी ऐसे बात करो. तो वो जो उनके दो स्टोरीज दैट दे हैव, सो दे फील लाइक दे आर ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड टू यू. एंड इट्स काइंड ऑफ, इट क्रिएट्स अ sort of closeness with the people in their own way. तो ये जो association है सिर्फ party lines में नहीं है, it's locally also. Locally you're more acceptable, and I don't know whose fault that is, but that happens. And then in the party also you need to know the right people to reach the hierarchy, and to reach the right people to get the ticket. So I think the whole structure is made. But मुझे जो striking लगा, even if we change the party policies, but locally when you see किसी नए इंसान को उस पर इतनी जल्दी ट्रस्ट नहीं बिल्ड हो पाता है लोगों का भी. सो बहुत कई जगह पर हम ये भी सुनते हैं, इफ़ यू आर नॉट अ लोकलाइट, इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन फ्रॉम सम अदर एरिया, बाहरी हो, तो वही यहाँ पर भी हो जाता है. जब उन्हें पता है कि इस घर में हम आते जाते थे पहले से और हमारी सुनवाई है और हम इनके नज़दीक थे, सो दे प्रेफर दैट. तो आई थिंक सिर्फ पार्टी का ही नहीं है, लोकली भी ऐसा एक सिस्टम बना हुआ है. एंड आई थिंक द चेंज नीड्स टू हैपन इन बोथ प्लेसेस.